In the first few days of school, I like to challenge students to work at their table pods as teams and design a flying machine using only 3 supplies: toilet paper tube, pipe cleaner, and scrap piece of cardboard. The only restriction is that they cannot use tape or glue to connect their pieces and need to find other creative ways to connect them. It gives us a good opportunity to work through the artistic process where the teams come up with an idea, draw out a plan, create with the supplies provided, and then reflect and share what they learned or what worked or didn't work.